The Baltimore City Health Department announced a new lead testing campaign today to try to prevent lead poisoning in children. And WJZ's Live Stetson Miller tells us how the department is planning to implement this new strategy. Stetson?
Denise, city officials said today that lead poisoning is a serious problem in Baltimore that can have lasting effects on children. Now, this new campaign aims to reduce that and has an emphasis on getting more children tested for lead. High levels of lead in Baltimore housing has resulted in lead poisoning cases popping up around the city for decades. Well, the city health department has long been working to reduce lead poisoning. Today it launched a new campaign to try to get more children tested for lead. Health Commissioner Letitia Jazara said today that just over 50% of the city's children between the ages of 1 and 2 have been tested for lead.
We believe that testing for half our children is not good enough. So we're here today to renew our commitment and to implement new strategies to increase our testing numbers.
In addition to the new emphasis on testing, the health department will also work to give resources on lead poisoning to pediatricians and launch an MTA campaign next month, which will target bus shelters and neighborhoods with high prevalence of lead poisoning. The goal is to educate residents on the effects of lead.
Lead poisoning is a serious problem that can cause learning disabilities, behavior problems, and at a very high level, seizures, coma, and even death.
If a child's blood lead level is high, city officials will step in, visit the home of the child, find the source of the lead paint, then work with a property owner to address the issue.
We make sure the child's in a safe environment. We give them the resources they need and the understanding as to how they get that lead level down as quickly as possible.
And experts say they'd ideally like to prevent lead poisoning before it happens because it has irreversible effects, which is why they're trying to be more proactive with this campaign. Live at Gwynns Falls, Stetson Miller for WJZ.